Hi guys, I've been subscribed to Wrestle now since the start, and this is going to be the very first time I do an unboxing. Let's see what we get this month. Right, and the first thing is we get an autograph from Rob Van Dam. At least we got an autograph this month, because last month we didn't get one. I would have rather it be on a photograph instead of a bit of art. It seems a bit cheaper to put on a bit of art instead of a photograph, but at least we got something. Right, and next we got the t-shirt. Fight Forever. Obviously I know what it's about, but it's better than the last lot of t-shirts we've had. Last two, yeah, we had two last month and they were terrible. Absolutely terrible. And I think the month before that we had two as well. There was one decent one in that. At least it's semi-decent this time. And now November bag. It's a bit girly in a way with the handle. Not something I would use. Oh well, can't win them all. Don't win many things in this. And we've got the Cornish Box magazine. Guess I'll read it. And here we've got a black box. Right, and here, drink with authority, Hunter mineral water. Something to do with Triple H. There it comes off. Oh. So have something to drink out of instead of straight from that. Don't make no sense to me. I guess I'll put that in the cupboard and forget all about it. Alright, okay. Alright, and at last we got two DVDs. Two Falls to a Finish. 60 years of British Pro Wrestling. There we go. That's that one. You can see it. It has Matty Jones, Brian Dixon, Hulk Hogan, Robbie Brookside, Doug Williams, Zack Sabre Jr., Rampage Brown, and more. I don't think I'm going to be bored enough to watch it. And last one, Chikara UK Tour 2015 DV Sampler 2. Oh look, another sampler. Brilliant. Not. At least we've got some decent guys on it, like Jimmy Havoc, Dan Maloney, Flash Morgan Webster. Decent, but I'd rather have the full show instead of another sampler. I ain't gonna watch it. Right, and that's that. Box is a bit shit. Bit like last month.